Kashika welcome you back to Abhyas Institute of Education. So, in our today's video, we will be doing the literature of chapter number 5, Les Media. So, in this chapter, we are talking about the various different news channels of India, France, the magazines, the type of magazines, and some important news channels wherever they are available, and all about that. So, let's start.
So, our first question is Qu'est-ce que c'est TV5? A very important two-marker. TV5 est une chaîne française considérée comme un opérateur officiel de la francophonie. On peut regarder TV5 en Inde. It means that TV5 is a French channel which is operated officially in all the places where people speak French, which indicates the word francophonie. And we can learn and we can listen to the news on TV5 in India as well. Now the second question is Qu'est-ce que c'est Zapper? Ou que veut dire Zapper? Zapper, ça veut dire passer d'une chaîne télé à l'autre. It means shifting from one channel to other on our television. Third is Qu'est-ce que c'est quotidien? Nommé en deux. So quotidien means a newspaper which comes on all the days. For example, a quotidien est un journal qui paraît tous les jours. Tous les jours means all the days. Example, Le Monde et Le Figaro. Now second is Qu'est-ce que c'est hebdomadaire? Hebdomadaire means a magazine which comes one time a week. For example, L'Express and Paris Match. Hebdomadaire est a magazine qui paraît une fois par semaine, which means one time each week. Now, in the next question, we have to name two French journals and two Indian. Nommez deux journaux français et indiens, the newspapers. For Français, we have Le Monde et Le Figaro, and for India, we have The Times of India and Hindustan Times. Now, coming to question number 6, we have to name some magazines Français. First, La Femme Actuelle, second, L'Express, and third, Elle. Very easy question to learn. Now, question number 7 talks about Mensuel. Mensuel is a magazine qui paraît une fois par mois. So here we have to remember that it's a magazine which is released in one time in a month. For example, Le Monde Diplomatique et Ciel Espace. Now, nommez une revue française. This is just a very simple question and you have to remember the name Le Français dans le Monde. Now, in the next question, we are talking about the channels of the radio in France, which are Europe 1, RF1, France Musique Radio. And in the next question, we have to tell about the television channels which are on television française. For example, ARTH, Canal+, TV5 et Paris Premiere. So these two questions are interlinked, but we have to remember for radio there are 3 and for television we have 4. In the next question, we are talking about the different rubriques. Quelles sont les différentes rubriques d'un journal? Which means the different parts. So we have la météo, la culture, la sport, et les petites annonces. Now, question number 12. Qu'est-ce que c'est un blog? We have to tell what is a blog. A blog est le type de site web ou une partie d'un site web utilisé pour la publication périodique et régulière d'articles. It means it can be a website or it can be a part of website which is used for publishing the articles on a regular basis or periodically. A blog is généralement créé par le blogueur lui-même. This means that the person who wants to create a blog creates it himself, lui-même. Question number 13. Qu'est-ce que c'est ARTH? Association relative à la télévision européenne. It is an association for the television European, which means for all the countries or for all the cities of Europe. On peut regarder les reportages culturels sur cette chaîne. We can see the reports on this channel. Question number 14 is same of what we read in question number 1. We have to name one channel which is there in France and India. Nommez la chaîne francophone qui est disponible. Disponible means available on and in India. That is TV5. Now coming to the next question, we have 3 very simple terms. Qu'est-ce que c'est RFI? RFI means Radio France Internationale. Then what is Autoplus? Magazine français consacré à l'automobile, which is concerned to the automobiles. and GDE means Le Journal des Enfants, a magazine, a newspaper for the children.
I hope you all understood the question and answers. This was the Culture and Civilization of chapter number 5, Lesson 5, Les Médias. You can note them down, you can practice them, and just in case you have any doubt, you can always ask in the comment sections below. Merci.